Hello. I have so many freaking videos to upload, but I'm just gonna keep not doing that. I'm trying to do that grain of sand light speed versus earth thing, and I looked up the weight of a grain of sand. The weight of a grain of sand is about 0.0044 grams, or about or about 4.4 milligrams. I tried 64 milligrams, it just disappears. Tried 100, just disappears. 1 gram, it just disappears. Watch this, ready? How about 100 grams? Way bigger than a grain of sand, it just disappears. I think I might need to do a kilogram sized grain of sand, which is not a grain of sand. That's a boulder. They're just disappearing. What the hell? How the fuck do I do this? Kilograms. 100 kilograms. Oh. It's a thing. It's working. 100 kilograms. This is not a grain of sand. This is a freaking boulder. I just realized I probably should have just done marble. That would have probably worked now that I think about it. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna, we'll do this one still. Just as like a tester to see what might occur. That's way too fast. This is going light speed. This is boulder versus the earth. Light speed boulder versus earth. Light speed boulder versus the earth going light speed. That made no sense because obviously it's a light speed boulder. 2 milliseconds per second. Ba-boom. Any second now. Come on. Slow time down a bit more just to get a really nice view. Sorry, Japan. That's it. Oh, there it goes. Hold on, wait. That's it? I'm now disappointed. I want something more than that. Let's try a marble, light speed. Damn it. And slow time way down. There goes our marble. Heading towards the planet at light speed. This is a marble. It's guarantee you not gonna do anything. It's entering the upper atmosphere. Probably, I think, maybe. Most definitely has entered the upper atmosphere by now. What is that? Why is it in the air? Boom. It punctured a hole in the upper atmosphere. It's doing quite a bit of damage. I think the two previous collisions merged into one bigger collision. That's quite the sizable crater for a marble, but not quite a sizable crater for literally anything else. Let's try a pyramid at light speed. A great pyramid of Giza. Going light speed. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Shrinky down to time. This is a sizable object. Going light speed towards the planet. I should have aimed for Egypt. That would have been really funny. And we wouldn't even see it because it's coming for us in the daytime, so we wouldn't see it until it was way too late. It's gonna hit off the coast of Africa. Quite far off the coast of Africa. It's pretty much in the middle of the ocean. This is a chunky thing. Quite chunky. Kabloomsk. Whoa, that's a lot of lag. For such a small object. Oh, god damn it. Oh my god. Time was probably a little too slow. Oh, what? I had to yawn. Nope. Come on, game. Come on. I mean, not a game. It's not a game. Okay? It's not a game. Not a game. Come on, Universe Sandbox. It's not that hard. I killed the Universe Sandbox by shooting the Great Pyramid of Giza at it at light speed. You don't need to report anything to Microsoft. That was completely my fault. Okay. Think that might be it for this episode of me screwing around with Universe Sandbox for literally no reason whatsoever. Just kidding, no. Damn it, I missed it. I blinked. Just kidding, I did not blink. It was... If you blinked, though, you did miss it. Asteroid Lightspeed. Jesus, it is literally just that fast? What the heck? Holy crap! Wow! My sister asked me who I was talking to. I screamed YouTube at the top of my lungs. Jesus, that is laggy. That is laggy. It looks like a mushroom. Hold on. Fun fact, you can use E and Q to rotate like this to get different points of view. We made a mushroom. Mario's proud. Ah. Yep. It's the mushroom cloud. It's a mushroom cloud. It was a mushroom cloud back when I could see it. Okay, where's Earth? I don't know who that was. It's a mushroom-ish. That's an asteroid going light speed, though. That's not physically possible. Now, you see. What is physically possible is a little tiny bit less than light speed. If I slow down time way down, just a couple of milliseconds per second, I can go here, 0. 0. How about 0.8 light speed? That's physically possible. Probable, no. Possible. Yes. The chances of this thing actually happening, though, are so slim, it's like you'll never experience it in your lifetime. Probably because you'll never see it happen, and then your lifetime will be done. We'd all die in this situation. I can guarantee it. This T is gonna slam into us. That's a big T. You could write a T the size of a city on it. It's a pretty big T. That's why it's called this T. Now, as you can see, this T has destroyed the planet. Within seconds, the entire planet becomes vaporized. People over here, they don't know what's happening. All they know is that the water just disappeared. Heck, they don't even know yet. Because they're still doing whatever the heck they were doing. It's immediate. The lights went out. And the earth begins to vaporize. And people, they don't even know what's happening. They have no clue what's happening. All they know now is that it's probably, they can tell something happened, but just barely. About now, people are starting to realize they don't know what to do yet, but they know something has happened. People are now freaking the hell out. People are now dead. If you were over here, you died immediately. But if you're way over here on the dark side, you probably are dead. No, you're definitely dead. Every single human being is now dead. Every single life form is now dead. I don't know if that hurt your ears. I'm sorry. Even the tardigrade water bear thing, if that's what it's called, tardigrade or something, even that is dead. Nothing can survive this. Maybe the tardigrade can. All that's left is a tiny fragment of Earth's core. As the rest of the Earth just gets thrown into space at freaking ridiculous speeds. Look at this. 22.5 kms per second. What is that? Is that a bad thing to do with your dong or something? Like, weird. I can't get any closer to the Earth. Oh, there. This is all that remains of the Earth. And it is cold. No, this should not be that cold. That's much better. Yeah. This is all that remains, and then it's gonna cool down. Because over the decades, it cools down to room temperature. Maybe a single tardigrade is left, but it's gonna die. There's no food or water. It's literally just iron. This is the inner core, I'm pretty sure. It begins to cool down to reasonable temperatures. Now it's livable. No, wait, that's definitely not livable. Now it's livable. And now it's definitely livable. Nothing could live on it, though. Like, there's no life. There's no chance of life. The surface gravity is microscopic. It's only 29 atmospheres. This would be a freaking, this is an asteroid. This is like the size of a yeah, this is a freaking asteroid. Phobos is quite big to it. Titan, the moon, Tethys, Charon. Wait, Charon is a dwarf planet, or at least the size of a dwarf planet. Ceres, Chariklo. Yeah, this is an asteroid. Random asteroid. Yeah. This is an asteroid, and it used to be the Earth. Now, you're gonna be mad at me, but I'm gonna do it again. Ba-boom. This was instant because of how small it is. And there's nothing left. There's not gonna be any. Holy shit, that's bright. Oh. I wonder how fast each of these are going. Ridiculously fast. Jesus Christ. Up to seconds per second. To minutes per second. Yeah, there's nothing left. It's just been dead. It's dead. It began spinning so fast that it is literally just straight up ripped itself to pieces. The only thing the asteroid did is that. The rest of it was the Earth itself ripping itself to shreds. Did you see how fast it was going beforehand? I didn't catch it. I'm gonna have to go look back to see what it looked like. Because the first collision made it go pretty fast. I could see the trail. I didn't actually get to look at the speed, though. It is fast. There's only a 1 kilometer difference between these two, which means that they are definitely moving in that direction. If I launch something like this, I said if I launch something like, what the heck? What the heck, why can't I launch anything? Weird. There's now a space hash brown. Who wants a space hash brown? Yeah, space hash brown. I'm hungry. Now, Mercury versus... Because Mercury, look how much smaller it is. It's going to get shredded by a space bowling ball. Going at light speed. Just kidding. Marble. Going at 1 light speed. Light speed marble versus Mercury in 20, 19, 30, 50, 100, 216. Now. Meow. Wee. Boom. That's it. Are you? Oh, there's a thing. And it's spreading. That's it. Are you kidding me? That's insultingly slow. That's insultingly pathetic. Nah. Bowling ball. I'm pulling out the big one. The whopping bling ball. And if a Great Pyramid could do that much to Earth, imagine what a bowling ball can do to Mercury. Also, that is also pathetically abysmal. Yeah, screw it. I'm pulling out one of the big guns. Whapping. Griat Pyramide. Oof Geyse. Kablooms. Speed time. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. No! Why is it always the pyramids that do the coolest? The pyramids are the best. Look, did you see that? The pyramids are the best, but the pyramids crash my freaking game. Why? How long have I been recording? Jesus Christ. 22 minutes? Feels like 5. Lightspeed Earth versus the Sun. This is the last thing I'm going to do, I pinky promise. This is probably most likely almost guaranteed to crash. This is so much bigger that I'm going to speed things up a bit more. This Earth, fun fact, if it were starting at the sun, it would take 8 minutes to get there, so yeah. Time to slow things down a bit. Here we go. Light speed versus this giant thing. All the people on this would be dead. It does, hold on. I just realized something. This Earth is colliding with what seemed to be stationary. Like, a photon here would seem to be stationary from the Earth, which I just realized is actually kind of cool and kind of nerdy. Kabloomskis. Oh! What? How did it do that? And now where's the particles flying off of the sun? Why is there nothing flying off the sun? There should be a buttload of things flying out of the sun right now. Does it really just absorb it? That's lame. Wow, the sun spins fast. This is lame. I want a refund. Just kidding, this game is awesome. Let's be Jupiter. Let's see that. Jupiter had things fly off, but not Earth. That's just... wow. How big is this? Tiny. Hey, sun, do you want a sun? A star? The collision of a star at light speed, which is physically impossible, and a big star. That is... wow. Okay, let's look at the Earth. In Solar Smash, the Earth would just explode. Much lamer. It just keeps switching to different things. Hey Jupiter, you're looking kinda warm. You look hot. Wow. That's hot. This right here would be very, very warm. Fun fact, if you were standing here, you would die. Okay, Jupiter, time for you to explode. Jupiter, it's time for you to explode. Much better. That's what Solar Smash would do. Boom. Boom. Is Saturn gonna die itself? Die on its own? I think Saturn's gonna be fine. Look at the wonkiness of that. Saturn tilts a lot, apparently. Let's see how Pluto's doing in these trying times. What? Why is Pluto doing better than Earth? Pluto, you shouldn't be doing better than the Earth. Okay, there. Saturn is the biggest. What is Saturn orbiting? Look at the asteroids. The asteroids shouldn't be doing this well. There's nothing left. Jupiter would be the only thing left. Jupiter, and I think Neptune if I hadn't blown it up. Because I did this in the past. Those were all that was left. One more collision just to end the video. Oops. Let's go down to milliseconds per second. How about, let's throw like 5. Let's see how this ends. Please crash. That'd be a really funny way to end a video, to just have it crash. If you were standing on this Earth, you would be dead. Like right now, you would be dead. Yeah, you'd be dead. Let's slow time down a bit more. Oof. That looks epic if it don't crash, this is gonna be epic if it doesn't crash. It's just 2 blue balls kissing. That's it. What is making this happen? This is literally going Only 0.217 light speed. Oh, they're both moving. Okay. Yep. There they go. Whee! Okay. You guys can die now. You guys can... What is happening? Oh, that one dead. This thing isn't dead. How is this not dead? Oh shit, that's why this crashed last time I did this. Oh, what better way to end a video than this? Goodbye, people of the internet. It's undulating, it's really weird.